The humanoid robot is popular and exciting. However, there are many other types, forms, and applications of artificial intelligence in robotics that are changing our business environment. Let's see how. Number 10. Toyota's Q. Q is Toyota's AI basketball robot and member of the Alvark Tokyo, a team in the Japanese Professional Basketball League. In 2019, Q set the Guinness World Record for the most consecutive basketball free throws by a humanoid robot. Toyota Engineering Society, a group of volunteer engineers at Toyota, began a project to develop AI from scratch in 2017. They chose to build a humanoid robot driven by AI, naming it Q, in the hopes that the robot would encourage people to start something new. The basketball journey all started when a team member repeated the words of Hanamichi Sakuragi, protagonist of the popular basketball comic Slam Dunk. Number 9. Starship Delivery Robots. Robotic delivery is a hot trending area, and some of the most popular delivery robots are those provided by Starship Technologies Company. Starship robots can carry items within a 4-mile radius, navigate streets autonomously, and provide package delivery for consumers and businesses. The robots are equipped with sensors, AI, and mapping systems to understand their location and the world around them. They have a pedestrian speed and weigh no more than 100 pounds. With partnerships with many stores and restaurants, the robots make local delivery faster and more cost-efficient. Parcels and food are directly delivered from stores on customer requests via a mobile app. Once ordered, the robot's location and path can be monitored on a smartphone. Number 8. Pepper Humanoid Robot. Pepper is a humanoid robot designed to interact with people, assist them, share information with them, and help customers at retail stores. Pepper is about 4 feet tall, has a tablet that displays information in the center of its chest, can gesticulate and talk in several languages. The robot uses emotion recognition AI to interpret and respond to human activity. It can recognize human emotions like joy and respond accordingly with a smile, for example. In a store, Pepper can make personalized recommendations and help customers find the products they're looking for. It can sell, cross-sell, and communicate with the human team. Pepper operates in environments like banks, hotels, pizzas, and hospitals to improve customer experience and help organizations lower costs. Number 7. Penny Restaurant Robot. Penny is a bowling pin-shaped food service robot enabled by artificial intelligence. It can autonomously shuttle food and drinks from a restaurant kitchen out to tables and bring dishes back for a cleaning. Penny can run in different food service environments such as dining rooms, pizzerias, large banquet halls, casino gaming floors, restaurants, cafes, etc. This self-driving robot can seamlessly deliver several beverages at once. It is powered by a long-lasting battery with life 8 to 12 hours, which allows it to operate on night shifts or peak hours. The goal is Penny to take the plates to the busing station and reduce the waiting time. Thus, the servers can focus more on improving customer experience, address the diner's needs, and ask how the table enjoyed the meal, for example. Number 6. Nimbo Security Robot. Nimbo is a robot security guard based on cutting-edge artificial intelligence technology and has a range of security applications and asset protection. The robot explores and patrols specific spaces, routes, or self-optimized routes while analyzing human activities and the surrounding area. Nimbo can detect security violations and approach the area with light, audio, and video warnings. It gathers video evidence and sends real-time alerts to the human guard. The human security staff can also select spots for patrol. Then the robot will travel from spot to spot while continually scanning the area. Nimbo seamlessly integrates the VMS and works in locations such as shopping centers, warehouses, offices, educational facilities, etc. Number 5. Shadow Dexterous Hand. The Shadow Dexterous Hand is a humanoid robot hand that is similar to the average human male hand in size and shape. It has movements equivalent to the typical human hand. It has 20 degrees of freedom, greater than that of our hands, and can resolve problems that require the closest approximation of the human hand. The hand has a variety of sensors such as force sensors and ultra-sensitive touch sensors on the fingertips. It is used as a teleoperation tool and can also be mounted on different robot arms to extend robot capabilities. Shadow Dexterous Hand has many different applications in many different sectors. For example, it is perfect for product testing. With its highly detailed sensing capabilities, the hand can detect and monitor a full range of sensory information such as force, micro-vibration, and temperature. In manufacturing, the hand can perform more nimble and intricate work and grasp, lift, and move objects with total accuracy and efficiency. In the agri-tech business, the robot hand can help in soft fruit picking, such as strawberries for instance. And in the pharmaceutical industry, it can perform intricate work in environments where it may not be safe for humans. Number 4. Moly Robotic Kitchen System. Moly Robotics is a company that created the world's first robotic kitchen, a fully automated and intelligent cooking robot system. The robotic kitchen system includes a full suite of appliances, cabinetry, computing, safety features, and robotic arms. It cooks with the skill of a master chef, using preset recipes from top chefs around the world. With a pair of fully articulated robotics hands that reproduce the human hand movements, the system can mimic the actions of a master chef precisely, cook delicious dishes, and clean up after itself. It can learn recipes, produce meals from around the world, or even cook your own recipes all alone. The robot kitchen is controlled by its own touchscreen or remotely via smartphone. When not in use, the robotic arms retract from view. Moly is used by major players in the restaurant industry, airlines, kitchen developers, and even chef training schools. Number 3. Construction Site Monitoring Robots. Site Monitoring Robot by Scaled Robotics Company is a spectacular robot that tracks the progress of a construction project. Powered by AI, this autonomous robot can move through construction sites, conduct precision scans of construction projects, then analyze the data to spot quality issues and monitor the overall progress. The robot sends the collected data to the cloud platform for further processing. Users can examine the issues on a special color-coded 3D model. This process helps you prevent costly errors and even shows you health or safety problems, such as holes in edge protection. Collecting such data from across a building site is a time-consuming task. This artificial intelligence robot not only saves time and lowers both rework and waste, but ensures the high quality of construction. Number 2. Promobot. Promobot is a robot for business that moves autonomously and communicates with people using artificial intelligence. It is able to answer questions, recognize faces, give information on the company's services, scan and fill in the documents, accept payment, and show promotional information. Promobot seamlessly connects with third-party services and external systems such as databases, websites, and online services. The robot has various applications and can act as a consultant, promoter, building manager, tour guide, navigation assistant, and an assessor who measures health indicators such as lung capacity, temperature, and blood sugar. Number 1. Flippy Robotic Kitchen Assistant. Flippy is an autonomous robotic kitchen assistant that can assist chefs in preparing freshly cooked burgers and fried foods, such as crispy chicken tenders and tater tots. Flippy works at the grill and at the fryer. For example, while cooking at the grill, it can automatically detect when raw burger patties are placed, monitor each patty in real time, and switch between spatulas for raw and cooked meat. When cooking at the fryer, it can pick up baskets and place them in the fryer, shake baskets gently while frying the food, monitor the cooking time, etc. Powered by cloud-connected artificial intelligence for its brain, Flippy can learn from its surroundings and acquire new skills over time. That's all for this video, folks. See you another time.